N.R.T here. Been working on the fl250 tank. I had to cut this out because it was just building a weld right there and it melted through and it looked stupid. So instead of grinding down the weld, I just cut that piece. I got to cut a piece there. It's going to weld nice right there. Got to cut a piece right here because it was bent. This part right here was bent down and it wasn't right, so I just cut it out. Got to put a piece there. And that's pretty much it. Got that piece welded in there. Here it is right here. Got to do a little more welding, grinding, and I'm waiting on some parts, and then I can weld it solid and hope for no leaks. Hopefully. This is my first gas tank job. I did work on this one a little while ago, but it was a complete fail. I just kept burning through, so I just cut the whole bottom out of the tank because it was all rusted out. As you see, it's not the best in there, but I've been doing little tack, and that's been helping a lot with the fan going towards the welder. I got that. A little hole right there. But it's not perfect, but it's way better than what it was. You only get better by practice. So, catch you on the next one using them 140 MP power bank. So, catch you on the next one.